Every day my father works, the first thing he does is have breakfast. After showering, he gets dressed in comfortable clothes like sweatshirts and long-sleeved shirts. Then, as a second step, he checks the car, inspecting the oil and brakes to make sure it's in good enough condition to drive on the roads of Cauca, Colombia. And then, as a third step, he picks up his client, who needs rides from one city to another. Sometimes they're sick people who need to get from a small town to the city's hospital, or families with pets, case where it's best to be driven patiently.